Hi guys, Debbie Pitts Palmer back here again, coming to you live. I wanted to discuss some things with you guys. I've been talking to you about joining SCENTSY all month long and talking about taking advantage of the $49 deal. And I've been talking about the benefits of increasing your income, flexibility, free trips, and stuff like that. But here's something else that's really important about becoming a SCENTSY consultant. Some of the things that I want to talk to you about is taking advantage of the tax credits. Here's some of the things that you can do for those of you that are, say, single and you need somebody to need something to claim. You don't have kids to claim, or let's say that you got kids and you're in a six-figure bracket and you need some more tax advantages, or various reasons. I want to talk to you about some of the things that you can write off with a SCENTSY business. Okay, here's some of the things. Okay, for advertising, for when I say advertising, it could be a paid character or something like that, because I have a character. I have somebody to create a character for me. So that's a form of paid advertising. Office supplies, things like labels, paper, anything at all that's related to SCENTSY, you get to write that stuff off. Gifts. Let's say you give some gifts to some people that may ask you to donate some things, like a realtor or somebody like that. They want you to donate some stuff. Well, you get to write that off. Postage. When you ship packages off, you get to write that off. Printing. If you got to print something off, you get to write that off also. Okay, let's say you have a team that you build a team and you have some incentive that you want to offer them. That's a tax advantage. Conventions, conferences, if you work events, seminars, you can get to write all of this stuff off, guys. All of this stuff. Let's say you have a home party and you have some stuff that you're going to have at your house that you want to supply for your company. You get to write that off. Okay, let's talk about your cell phone. Let's talk about your home phone, your fax. You can write this stuff off, guys. All of this. Isn't that great? Let's talk about meals. When you take people out to eat for lunch or dinner and you get ready to talk about SCENTSY over a cup of coffee, you get to write that stuff off. Isn't that pretty cool? Travel expense. Oh my gosh, let's talk about the travel. And God knows I've got a lot of miles on my car because of the fact that I drive around meeting customers, meeting team members. You get to write that stuff off. That's part of your travel expenses. Internet, your phone, your internet, some people have to pay extra for that. You get to write all that stuff off with a SCENTSY business. Your home office expenses, like your utilities, things at your house, because it's a home-based business, so you get to write that stuff off. Pretty cool, isn't it? Bank charges. Let's say that you got some bank fees, whatever it is, your service fees, whatever, you get to write that stuff off. Or PayPal, for you guys that have PayPal, there are fees sometimes when you have your transaction going on there for payments that you accept. Credit card fees, you get to write that stuff off, guys. Accounting and legal fees. You got legal, if you get some legal advice or accounting advice, you get to write that stuff off. Donations, any type of donation that you give, you get to write that off on your taxes. Website, we have a website. It's free for 3 months, but it's only $10. Oh my gosh, $10. Oh my gosh, that's cheap. Anyway, you get to write that $10 off every at tax time. You get to write that off. And let's say that you got somebody that that's helping you out, maybe a teenager that you want to just pay them a little money just to help them to pass flyers out or whatever. That's contract labor. You will get to write that stuff off. Isn't that cool, guys? Here it is. I got the answer for you. You've been trying to figure it out. How in the world am I going to be dealing with these taxes? You can do it with starting a SCENTSY business this month for just $49. Isn't that pretty cool? $49, guys. And I can show you more about how you can take advantage of this. And what you can do is sign up to sell SCENTSY. You don't have to really put it out there. Well, let's say you sign up and you want to be a customer because you want to take the use the tax benefits. You can do that. You can just buy all of the products just for your own personal use, and you can use it for when things come up like special occasions and stuff like that, and you get to write this stuff off, guys. Isn't that pretty cool? I wanted to just share that with you because I haven't really spoken about that, and I had a special request from one of my team members. She said, can you please do a video on the tax advantages? So here I am doing this, guys. So let me know if you got more comments or more questions that you may have for this great SCENTSY opportunity. But remember, the $49 deal expires after September the 30th. So take care, guys. Have a happy Saturday. Bye. Love you.